Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the selected disk has an MBR partition table on ASUS motherboard. So first we need to escape the boot menu, so click enter to OK, then escape, click left alt and the underlined letter, so it's Y in English because it's for yes. And now when it's restarting, spam the button to open the BIOS. It's probably F2, but depending on the laptop model, it may be an escape or F11, F12, delete, something like that. And that's the most common ones. Now click F7 to open the advanced mode. With arrows, go to advanced and arrow down to VMD setup menu. Click enter, arrow down to enable VMD controller. Once again enter, arrow up to disabled and enter 2 times. Now click F7 to escape the advanced mode, click F10 to save and exit and enter. Now spam the one-time boot menu button, it's probably an escape button. Now select the USB drive and click enter. Now it might take a long time to power on and for setup, so I'll be back with you shortly. Now it's powering on, as you can see. So now to go next, click tab, and to go to previous button, click shift and tab. In language to install, you can change it with arrows, but I can't change it because I only selected the English in ISO file that I downloaded. Now click tab, and time and currency, you can change it as well. Now click left alt and the underlined letter. It's N for next in English, but if you're using an other language, then the other letter will be underlined. Now click arrow up and down to change the keyboard input method. Click alt and underlined letter. Now alt and here underlined letter to agree and next. It's getting a few things ready right now and we will need to accept. So click alt and underlined letter. It's searching for disks, and as you can see, we get rid of that problem. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.